Okay, hello. So I've been in the UAE for, wow, what's echoing? I've been in the UAE for nearly 3 months and I've not vlogged once because I've just been working the whole time. Today we're going on an adventure. So we are on our way to an island that is right by the Saudi border. It is a long drive. The landscape changes so much when you get down here. It looks like nowhere else in the UAE. So after 3 and a bit hours in the car, we finally made it. This place is very unique. Most people think the UAE is all sand dunes and mega cities. That is true for most people, but there are wilder areas you can explore like this. This place is stunning. It's so different to everywhere else I've seen in the UAE, and this is what excites me most. This is what makes me feel really alive when traveling, is seeing somewhere new in a new environment, somewhere I've never been before. And so because of this, I've switched to the 8-16mm, so I'm vlogging on that right now. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell the difference until I do this. There we go. So I'm sure I'm a bit distorted right now. This lens was made for places like this. You've got the colour in the ground leading up to the different colour in the rocks, and then this crazy sky above. And you just need a lens this wide to capture all of that. The sun is setting now. The colour is coming out in the sky, but it's looking a bit hazy, so this might be the last of the light we get, and it's not that intense. The colours of the rocks are slightly coming out, but not quite as much as I'd hoped, and this might be all we get, so I need to find a spot, I need to find an angle, just in case it kicks off, because these high clouds are perfect for a mega sunset, but if it's too much haze on the horizon, the light's just going to go away. One good thing that I do know I have up my sleeve is because it's low tide, there are loads of rock pools around with beautiful reflections, so if all else fails, I can still get a nice mirrored shot, but it would be really a shame to miss out on capturing this awesome landscape and making use of the colours and textures that I have here. So this might be the last of the light happening behind me right now. It's a shame we don't get that crisp golden light hitting these orange rocks, but it's still a beautiful place, and these reflections are stunning. That's why I'm keeping vlogging on the 8mm, so you can just see how peaceful it is here. It's beautiful. I just want to take a moment to acknowledge the amazing dynamic range of the Fujifilm X-H1, which I'm filming on right now. I noticed it when I filmed in Slovenia and Scotland, and a lot of the stuff I've been doing professionally here. It's just been so awesome to get cinematic shots so easily from a tiny camera. I used to see footage like this and think you need a big cinema camera with a big rig and huge lenses, and it's going to cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. But this is prosumer level expense, but the quality is just insane. I could never do this with a previous camera. You might notice I'm a bit shaky. That's because I've got the X-H1 with a mic, with the battery grip, and the 8-60mm monster glass, so the IBIS might be a bit funny right now, but it's worth it just to get these moments and share with you. I would normally not have a battery grip and have the lighter 12mm lens for vlogging. At the moment I'm just gripping it and I can see the camera shaking, but this light, the colours, the range you get from this camera, and then the width of this lens, I am very excited to look at this footage later.